probably the better deal. Or do you think you'd put it towards the one end? How did they have theirs? Now, see, they look like they were just kind of centered.
That's what I would think.
I mean, there's a real good view of it, but he's got a lot more obtuse angle under there than I do to hide his end. I'm not quite as sharp under there. That grain just wants to just do all kinds of things, none of which I want to do.
And that's because of the curl?
Yeah. And this part right here is flare the gun anyway. You can the stump, you can see the stuff in it. Now we got to get these guys here cut in too so they can fit. Looks pretty good, doesn't it?
I think so. So you just put epoxy in those holes?
Yes. And that twisted wire, I figure it'll bond in there.
Okay. Now, how does the vent pick stay in there?
It's bent. That's what has friction.
Okay.
It's just a friction fit. Most of them get lost about a week after the guy gets the gun. It all works out just like you think it would. Doesn't take much. I mean, talking really fine stuff there.